So, no more Redmi Notes, eh? The Redmi 5 Plus should clearly have been the Note 5, a successor of the Redmi Note 4, but Xiaomi wanted a fresh start. The fifth generation is trying to shake things up, and the new look obviously called for a new name. So, Xiaomi retired the Note brand, promoting the Plus from a mere qualifier to a proper name. The phablet lives on regardless, and goes all in with the wide 6-inch screen. 'Tis the season of tall screens, and Xiaomi is the next maker to go 18.9 in the mid-range as well. Both the Redmi 5 and Redmi 5 Plus have wide screens, and both build on the predecessor's 5.5 diagonal with 5.7 and 5.99 respectively. The Redmi 5 Plus may have received a pretty obvious upgrade, but that's nearly all that's new. The 5 Plus keeps the Snapdragon 625 chip and 4000 mAh battery of the Redmi Note 4. The old 5MP selfie camera stays too, while the rear cam now has bigger pixels but smaller aperture. We always get excited when a new Redmi checks in and enjoy watching Xiaomi give the competition a good run for its money. By the looks of the new Redmi 5 series, Xiaomi is keen on doing it again. The Redmi 5 Plus comes wrapped in an all-red cardboard box. Just as nearly every single Redmi before it, the 5 Plus is bundled with a 10W charger, 5V/2A, and a micro USB cable. Xiaomi also provides a transparent rubber case, but we almost missed it as it was packed with the quick start guides, which no one cares about, right?